hardest part of any health and wellness journey is getting started. I hate grocery shopping and I hate meal planning. Does that sound like you? Yeah, okay. Well, I've got something that's gonna help you. This is the Beyond Body book. I took a quick quiz and had it made especially for me. And look, it's even personalized with my name. Yours will be personalized to meet your needs. It's gonna give you all the meal planning. It's gonna tell you exactly what to make, how to make it, and how much of it to have. You know, I love quick and easy meals and snacks. So today I'm making toast with eggs. It tells me exactly how to make it. It's easy. The book is created by nutritionists. So you're gonna have a nutritionist basically at your fingertips. It's gonna be your nutritionist and your guide. Not only is nutrition a very important part in your wellness journey, so is other aspects. So for me, I struggle with sleeping and stress. So the book gives me tips on how to deal with that stress and how to get better quality sleep. It's going to give you tips and tricks on how to deal with your issues. It's going to give you tips for working out. It's going to help you get through a stall should you have one, because it happens. Doesn't that look delicious? If you're tired of being stressed, overwhelmed, and exhausted with how to get started on your health and wellness journey, go to the link in my bio, get you a personalized Beyond Body book that is specifically for you. Quit being overwhelmed, quit being stressed out. There's no need for it. You're gonna enjoy delicious, easy, quick meals like this, and you're gonna be less stressed, overwhelmed, and exhausted with meal planning. Now I have to decide which one I wanna eat first. Now, let's do this one. That's fabulous. Now for this one. So good.